Hi, this is Reggie from Restore Plus Physical Therapy, and welcome to today's tip of the day. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because one of our followers sent me a question, a few days ago, and this is regarding one of the posts that I shared on our Facebook page, on our social media. So that post is an article, or it's actually a video of a person lifting weights, and based on the video, it seems like the person lifting the weight, it's a heavy weight, but it seems like the person is holding, her breath when she was lifting the weight. So the question that was asked was, is that the proper way to be lifting, a heavy weight, or is that the proper way of breathing? All right. I want to tell people like what is a proper way of breathing first and foremost. When you're lifting a heavy weight, you want to be exhaling while you're lifting the weight. All right, because there's a big incidence that people get hurt when they actually lift weight without breathing properly, because the support on the back gets it's not as good. And also when you hold your breath, then it actually causes increased pressure in the brain, and loads up the heart, so it makes it harder for the cardiovascular system to work. And if you have some cardiac condition, then it may not be good for you. So breathing is very important. Now, how do we breathe properly is when you're lifting the weight, you should be exhaling. So for example, let's say I'm lifting this weight, let's say it's a grocery or box or something. So when I go down and I lift it up, you want to be exhaling when you lift it up. Okay, so let's say, and then you go down. Or let's say even if I'm like doing, let's say a dumbbell press or something like that while working out. So what you want to be doing is when you're pushing, when you're exerting the effort, okay, you want to be exhaling. So you'll be, for example, this is like I have weights and down. And let me actually just grab some dumbbells here. All right, so let's say for example you're going to be going up, so you go and then you come down, and then whenever you're exerting the effort, and then you come down. So it's bench press or anything like that applies. Okay, now in that video it seemed like that the person was lifting the weight and holding her breath. So I want to clarify, that's not something that we really advise people to do. But then again, in that video, like I told them, the person who asked the question, it's not very clear. I wasn't sure if she's actually not, if she was actually holding her breath. But the thing also is, a lot of times when power lifters, when they have to lift a very, very heavy object, they actually would do that. They will actually hold their breath so that they can actually support the core, the back more, to support the, get the core activated, and then they'll be able to actually lift heavier. But that's because they do that as part of, that training, a part of their sport. It's not something that they're like regular people who may have medical conditions and they're doing that regularly, just as a regular person like you and me. So I just want to make sure that we know the difference between holding the breath and then not holding the breath. And but like I said, when you're going to be lifting something, make sure you're breathing out whenever you're exerting the effort. Okay, so hope you learned something from today's video, and feel free to leave your comment below. And if you like this video, you can share with with your family, friends, and with people you know. And you can follow us on an Instagram page and like us on Facebook, or you can subscribe to a YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video of how to end chronic pain. Stay safe and stay pain-free. Bye.